Alright, what's going on, everybody? Let me get ready to move this Dodge out of the car garage. Let me get ready to get ready to run to the store to go grab something. Gonna cook this evening, but I'm happy to have the Z back. The Z's been at the dealership getting worked on, and finally got it fixed. Never again I'm spending that much money at a dealership, but also I'm just glad it got fixed. So if it happens again, which won't happen again, because I'll make sure of that, to do it myself. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this out. One of the things I need to do is mow the lawn. The grass is looking bad. Needs a haircut. Let's get the Z out. And just glad to have it back. And no more oil leak. It was really bad. It leaked everywhere in the garage. I had to clean the big puddle and then push the car out. I did try the JB well. That didn't work, so everybody's right. You do need to get an upper oil pan replacement. That is recommended. JB Weld, it's not going to hold anything. And as many times as I attempt to try to fix it, I think I just made the situation worse. Pulled out. Tapping on my, I guess, that little W brace underneath the car. I have to readjust it, fix the hanger. But for now, just glad to have it back. Let's go ahead and make our way. That's one thing I really needed to get done, is my alignment. There's this, I put the coilovers on, but there are other things I'm going to be doing to my suspension. So I kind of think it's not a good thing to go ahead and go get my alignment done and then do my next project and then go do it again. I'm just throwing the money away at that point. So I might as well go ahead and get everything I need to get done. Before I actually do that. Actually, I'm gonna go the way I usually don't go. Man, I was trying to go for more of an even look with the car, how low it is, but it has still, like, the front still angled down. Like, the front looks lower than the rear. Now, you can see it. Looks low. The front looks a little bit lower, but I don't know. For now, just keep the setup the way it is. I got my stuff. Grocery getter.
Testing. System ready.
Went by to try to go get gas. Sucked because
K alert.
pumps, they were closed. They're out of fuel. So now I gotta get more gas. I gotta get gas from somewhere else. Don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a guy in his 350Z. He's lower than me. I'm a little bit too scared to even try to do it too low. With all the bumps. Well, bumpy roads and potholes in Dallas. So now I'm just taking Vanessa's car to go to the store. Because I just left the store and I forgot a few things, of course. And I left the garage door opener in my other car. Anyhow, I guess I'll go ahead and close it with my phone. And there she goes. Just waiting. I guess what I can do is go ahead and just tell you what all I've done so far. So, over the past year and a half, 2 years, however long I've been off from hosting, I've actually done Oracle lights. It really looked good with the Z, and I guess over time in the summer, one of the lights, my upper lights near the blinkers and on the headlights, start to change colors. I don't know why. I'm still trying to figure that out. I did redo my Demon Eyes. I went with a different LED, but sadly, I don't think the newer ones are as bright as I thought it would be. So I'm actually debating if I want to go ahead and go back in there. I do need to purchase new headlight lens. My passenger side has got worse, and it looks like it's foggy from the inside. First got back on here. Yes, I went ahead and bought coilovers. I got the Rev 9 Street Pro or Street something. I gotta go back and look at it, but I got those. Also, I am running the Rev 9 single exit exhaust. I actually just got my Y pipe welded. Well, in the sense of I had an exhaust leak, and I was always been wondering where has it been coming from, and I kept thinking it came from the test pipe because I had prior exhaust leaks from the test pipes. But actually, it was my Y pipe had a crack in it, so I took it off, took it to the shop, and had them to weld it, which that was really cheap. So, I mean, didn't think it would cost anything. But man, my windows were foggy. You know what? The Z looks so good. Got those going on. I'm gonna redo those, but I'm actually gonna do it again. But I'm gonna get those screws removed and do something totally different. So I'm gonna order those, and then there's another thing I want to show you, but it's late. I won't be able to show y'all today, but I will try to hit y'all up on the next one. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here. Like and subscribe. Make sure you follow. I will be posting again next week. For some of y'all that's just now seeing it sometime this week. Alright guys, until next time, peace.